I'm just going to show you. I've got these two boys. See, she's in heat. And this little guy thinks that he's ready. The big guy knows he's ready, but so these guys over here are trying to give their love calls, and she doesn't care. So the big boys that could do something, well, I mean, technically they could too, but they're just so little, huh? You guys are my babies. Yes. Yes. You guys are just babies, precious little babies. Sweet little babies. What's happening to you guys? Oh, there's the tongue. The calling. Oof. The good thing is that it only lasts for a couple of days. The bad thing is that anybody in earshot is going to hear this. That, yes, among other things, the calling. What happened to you as a sweet little baby? Huh? What happened to the baby? There's the baby. Yes. 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 Oh, that's your mother. Okay, so the black one and the white one that's right there, that's mom. But that one, his mom's not out here. She's in the barn. So, that's gonna set him off. She's peeing. Oh, you get a smile. Oh, there's the smile. Show me. That cracks me up. Did you just smell something? Oh, yes, yes, yes. You smelled something you weren't supposed to be smelling. Mm-hmm. That cracks me up. Yeah. He's trying to really get as much as he can. Oh my gosh. I still smell it. Show me. You're done with it, huh? Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, goodness. Oh yeah, and then she's over there calling them. Oh my gosh. Right. Those are my two ladies. So Misty, this one is Misty. Misty is in full-blown heat. Pepper is starting. So that's why they're out here and not in the cool barn with the AC. Well, not really AC, but oh, see, he's like, "Are you my lover?" Oh yeah, I know. I know. You'll take attention from anybody right now, huh? Don't do that to the boys. You drive them crazy. All right, so that's what it's like around here. Got two girls in heat, and got all my boys, even my babies, my baby boys, are ready to be herd sire. They think they can be herd sire. She's my queen, my herd queen. Yes. I know. Pepper. Oh. Yeah. She just gets close to the fence. They go crazy. We have two fences there to prevent them from breeding through the fence, but we're going to be putting another barrier in so they can't see each other, and it's all of this. It's a mess. My other boys, looks like my other boys went inside. This is when they'll start peeing in their mouth because apparently it's attractive to the girls. So, oh my gosh. That's your mother. I like when they talk. Get your ear out of there, girl. Girl, come here. Come here, Missy. Come here, Missy. Misty. Misty. Don't be a hussy. Missy. Misty. Okay, well, I'm going to feed. Maybe that will distract him a little bit. The things that the boys do. This is on the baby scale of what the babies do, huh? Oof. You guys.